Hi class, let's take a look at example 2. In example 2, the question that they're asking is actually a little bit different. They want to know the total interest that was accumulated in the period. This could be an investment, or it could be like a credit card that basically run for 6 years, and they were only doing like the minimum payment, or it depends on the situation. Okay, so let me actually we'll put the formula, since we're going to be using the formula over for this one. So we're looking at the actual formula is A is equal to the values of P, 1 plus R over N. So R over N divided to the, raised to the NT. And the principal that they're talking about in this case represents the $3,000. The time is equal to 6 years. R is equal to 3% or 0.03, and then N is equal to quarters, so it's going to be 4. Now, in order to find the total interest, we need to see, well, technically, the $3,000 went from 3,000 to the values of A. And then subtract those two, and that's going to give you how much I actually accumulated within the given periods. So let's evaluate this formula. So A is equal to the 3,000 times 1 plus, this is 0.03 divided by 4 raised to the 6 times the values of 4. So let me just fix that. That's 3,000. So this is 3,000, and then evaluate the middle portion. It'll be easier for the calculators. So 1 plus 0.03 divided by 4. I'm getting 1.0070075. And let me erase that one. Raised to the 24. So the total amount at the end of the account, it's going to be as follows. So please evaluate it. I'm getting the 3,000 times the 1.0075 raised to the 24. I'm getting that the total amount at the end of the 6 years, it's going to be 3589.24. That's not our answer, but this is the total amount at, well, the end of 6 years. Now, the actual interest, which is what they're asking on this one. So total interest is going to be equal to A minus P, meaning how much did you end up at the end of the cycle, in this case is 6 years, minus how much money you put in there. So this will be 3589. So 3589.24 minus the original 3,000. So I'm getting 589.24. So the total interest for this account is equal to, let me write it here, is equal to a total of 589.24. So $589 with 24 cents. Actually, I'm getting a 1 at the end, but that would be it for 2 decimal places. So there's still a 1 in this position, but we don't need it. Let me double check. No, it'll just be 2 decimal places. So that's it for example 2. In essence, you're going back and forth using this formula. This one, you don't have a formula to punch it immediately like we did on the simple interest, because this one, well, you have a principal, then you add the interest, then you have a new principal, and then, well, that's going to be the new amount. So it just keeps accumulating. So that is it for